Hello everyone. Today we are exploring what artificial intelligence is. Artificial intelligence often conjures images of futuristic robots or all-knowing supercomputers. But what is AI beyond the hype? We'll explore its history, define its essence, and distinguish its various forms. At its core, AI aims to replicate human-like intelligence in machines. This means enabling computers to perceive, reason, learn, and act in ways that mimic human cognitive abilities. The idea of intelligent machines isn't new. Ancient myths spoke of automatons, and early philosophers pondered the nature of thought. These early concepts laid groundwork for future AI ambitions. A pivotal moment arrived with Alan Turing's work in the 1940s and 50s. His concept of a universal machines and the Turing test provided foundational ideas for machine intelligence. The term artificial intelligence was officially coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth workshop. This gathering marked AI's birth as an academic field, setting ambitious goals for the future. AI's journey hasn't been linear. Periods of great optimism known as AI summers were followed by AI winters, when funding and interest waned due to unfulfilled promises and limitations. So, what is AI today? Broadly, artificial intelligence refers to systems that can perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence. It involves creating machines that think and act rationally. Specifically, AI systems are designed to be rational agents. This means they perceive their environment, process information, and take actions to achieve specific goals efficiently. We categorize AI into types. First, artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI, also known as weak AI. ANI excels at specific tasks, like playing chess or recognizing faces, but lacks broader cognitive abilities. Examples of ANI are all around us. Voice assistants like Siri, recommendation engines on streaming platforms, and spam filters are all powerful, yet narrow, applications of AI. Next, artificial general intelligence, or AGI, also called strong AI. AGI aims for human-level cognitive ability across many tasks, capable of learning, understanding, and applying knowledge broadly. AGI remains a significant challenge. Current AI systems, despite their impressive capabilities, are still far from achieving true human-like general intelligence and adaptability across diverse domains. Beyond AGI lies artificial superintelligence, or ASI. This hypothetical future AI would surpass human intellect in virtually every field, including scientific creativity, general wisdom, and social skills. How do we build these systems? Machine learning is a dominant approach. It allows computers to learn from data without explicit programming, identifying patterns, and making predictions. Deep learning, a powerful subset of machine learning, uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. This enables AI to process complex data like images and natural language with remarkable accuracy. AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, from personalized online shopping experiences to advanced medical diagnostics and self-driving cars. AI is constantly evolving our world. While AI offers incredible benefits, it also raises important questions about ethics, job displacement, and data privacy. Thoughtful development and regulation are crucial for its responsible use. The journey of artificial intelligence is far from over. As research progresses, AI will continue to push boundaries, transforming industries and redefining our interactions with technology. Understanding AI is key to navigating our future. It's not just about robots, but about intelligent systems designed to enhance human capabilities and solve complex global challenges. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.